Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a digital planner in Canva and sell it. So basically, all you have to do here is create an account on Canva. So in Canva, if you're looking for a layout or template for planner, since we will be selling a digital planner here, all you have to do is go to templates and then search for planner. And as you can see, there are tons of planner templates here. Now, if you're looking for a specific like weekly planner or a daily planner, you just have to search, and then all you have to do is to double tap, and you can just basically edit whatever you want to edit here. Font style, font size, color, borderline, and if you want to add elements, you can click element and then search for a specific element and add it right here. So in Canva, there are tons of layouts and templates that you can choose, and all you have to do is to click and edit it. Now, if you want to look for a daily planner, you can type daily, and then as you can see, there are tons of a daily planner that you can choose here. Now, if you want to start from scratch, just tap on the add page right here, and then you can search for something very specific. For example, elements. You're looking for notes. I strongly suggest to use graphics instead of photos. So tap on graphics and then you can resize. You can add more elements here. For example, line. You can look for that line. And the good thing about here in Canva is that you can change the color if you want. So if you think that black colors doesn't fit, you can change the color. You can resize, and for example, if you're looking for lines or let's just say list, you can look for that specific object or element. Add it right here. If you're looking for lines, for example, if you want to jot down or add something like write something, you can add it right here. And then you can copy and paste, duplicate, and add more. So all you have to do is just look for that specific keyword or word here in element, and then Canva will show you that here on graphics section. So all you have to do is to just drag or double tap and then place it wherever you want to place it here in the page. So that's how easy it is. Now, if you want to create more or if you want to be more static, then you can create another one. All you have to do is tap on the file, go back to home, look for planner, and it will show you the template. Or if you want, you can create again for like a new page. So once done, tap on share, click download, and then choose PDF. And then that's it. So that's the good thing about Canva. So as you can see, I want to create another one again. Now in Canva, you can change the font style if you want. So there are tons of fonts that you can choose here. Also effects. You can tap on effects and then you can look for glow. You can look for outline. You can look for backgrounds or echo, drop. Everything is up to you. All you have to do is to look for that. Now you can choose that best font, for example, calligraphy. You can basically search it right here. You can also look for text styles. And as you can see, all you have to do is to place that wherever you want to place it right here. You can be very creative. I know that you can do better than this, but this is just an information or idea on how to create a planner here in Canva that you can sell later on Gumroad, Etsy, and other websites. So as you can see here on graphics, you can search for notes. You can look for the specific notes that you can add it right here. So once you have your notes, if you want to add something like text, which your client can change later on, then all you have to do is to add it right here. So for example, if you want to look for other font, and then you can tap on the font right here, change the color of the font, everything is up to you. So basically that's it. So if you want to add the line manually, just again look for elements and then type lines, and then you can add it right here. So priorities this week. For the element inside, everything is up to you. So for example, week off, priorities this week, goals, list. So there are a lot of things that you can do. So basically that's it. Now here in Canva, you can start by creating a clean, attractive cover, like planner title, simple graphic or icons. You can look on elements, a consistent color, easy to read fonts as much as possible. So here, depending on your planner, you might include yearly overview, monthly calendar, weekly layouts, daily schedule, to-do list, habit trackers, goal setting pages, budget worksheets, notes pages, reflection pages, and so on. The good thing here in Canva is that you can just basically look for the specific element that you want to add. And if you want, you can choose minimalist, modern, floral, neutral, pastel, professional, cute, elegant, and use consistent fonts as much as possible, colors, icons, shapes, and spacings. So basically, that's it. Another thing also, you can add hyperlinks here in Canva. Cover, monthly pages, weekly pages, daily pages, navigation tabs, and so on. So again, once you're done, you can export this planner into PDF, and then you can set a password for this before you share it to your or upload this to your website. For example, if you want to sell it in Gumroad, you have to make sure that this one is protected or you have set a password so that once your customer client buy this, then by the time you're going to give them the password so that they can download this. As easy as that. So this is just one of the ways on how to create a planner here to sell in Canva. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.